Hello and welcome! Today I want to show you an absolutely amazing product. It boasts an elegant and incredibly functional design. It just has that perfect look. Now, about the price, for something with this level of quality, you'd probably expect it to be quite expensive, wouldn't you? Well, it's actually incredibly competitive, giving you far more value than you'd ever guess. Might even claw when you see it. Its flexibility is outstanding too. It's ideal for a wide range of uses and locations. All the complete details are in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.